welcome back. Thank you so much for all of your awesome questions on Ask NCH. Keep them coming, and if you do have more questions right here, go ahead and go to our email address, email them in. But we have another question today from Glenn S. from Colorado. He wants to know, why do I need to talk to somebody about setting up an LLC when I think I can go online and do it myself? That is an amazing question, and that's exactly why you do want to pick up the phone and give us a call. Yeah, there are a lot of things that you can do on your own. You can go online and do pieces of setting up your LLC, but you are not going to necessarily be protected in the way that you need to. When you're starting an LLC, you're starting a business. This is the foundation of where you're going with your business from here on out. And if you don't set it up right to begin with, one, it can cost you an awful lot more to fix, and it can cost you a whole lot more in the future because it wasn't done right, and you can wind up losing everything. So take the few minutes, pick up the phone, call us here at NCH. We are experts. We've been doing this for 33 years. We've got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. It's a free consultation. So pick up the phone, let us guide you so that you know what you need to do to properly protect yourself and create that foundation that will last you a lifetime. Again, if you've got any other questions, please email us, email address right there. Go for it, guys. We love the questions. We're here to answer them, and always pick up the phone and give us a call. Talk to you soon.